is an aprilaire steam humidifier. Installed a couple months ago, I guess. We had a General Air 1042 on here. It did really well. I just had an extra unit. I wanted to upgrade it. And this is a Lennox communicating furnace. With the steam humidifiers, it requires a pretty big drain, and it needs to go directly into the drain because it has a lot of pressure on it. You just can't leave it out. This steam is on. It's calling for 30% right now. It's at about 26 in the house, so it's actually blowing steam inside. That is my zone damper, so the main floor and upstairs is calling for fan and humidity. That's going to trigger first. It's also powered by 220 volts, and that's going to a dedicated breaker. And it's labeled. Everything has been permitted and inspected as well. This furnace is probably about coming up to 10 years old now. We've had to repair it several times. We are a Lennox dealer. We do have lots of other brands that we deal with, but this one I built with the house with the zone communicating thermostats, and I'll show you that upstairs. We're also using a 1-inch pleated furnace filter. It's a MERV 8, and we use charcoal for ours. So it's charcoal pleated. We change it every month, maybe every 2 months. So I buy them in bulk. We sell these as well. Filters direct. I gotta shut the furnace off to get this back in, but I'll do that when I get back. This is our main floor. Indoor humidity humidifier is on. In order to change it, go to system settings. I change my humidity level. Right now I want it at 30. Save. Go back. And right now the fan runs. So the beauty thing about this is that you can run and get humidity directly into your supply without calling for heat because it's steam. It'll go and humidify your house without it. With a standard humidifier, you need to have heat called for, and it'll work fine. It's just sometimes with you need extra humidity. The steam humidifiers, especially from aprilaire, are the best ones I've used so far. Most of our clients like them. We do need to replace the canister once a year, or sometimes even twice a year. I'll take that. So that's the canister right there. You do need a screwdriver to take those that one guy off. I must make sure the power is off and it's actually cooled down, because this is actually pretty damn hot. So once the system is completely done, the service over here will tell you when you do need to change it. It depends on how much humidity you use, and you can also get them again from us. You can go to Filters Direct. This is where we sell all the canisters for you. And any other questions, you can always give me a call. Hope you liked this video. Thanks very much.